We just moved into this Airbnb while our disaster to dream home is under construction. We loaded everything into our pod, and of course, I forgot to leave out my Narwhal. But you know what that means, new home, a new robot vacuum. So today I'm putting the new Narwal Freo X Ultra to the ultimate test. I saw this beast in action while renovating my friend's beach house. It did not miss a speck of dust and cleaned up all that construction debris. And since I'm going to be needing 3 robot vacuums for all 3 levels at the new house, I figured I might as well get one now. This Narwal Freo X Ultra is the ultimate robot cleaner. Sporting an 8200 PA suction power, it is going to suck up everything. And check out this innovative zero tangle floating brush. Nothing sticks to it. And the AI dirt sense, pure genius. It recognizes dirt and debris and then adapts accordingly.
Dirt found. Mopping started again.
And who can forget the auto mops washing? It cleans itself so you don't have to. Even the auto water exchange, it keeps the water fresh so you can ensure it's cleaning its best all the time. After I went and got an update on the new house, came back to the Airbnb, the floors were all nice and clean. The Narwhal had parked itself in its home and already self-cleaned. And don't miss out on Narwhal's early bird event, February 21st through March 5th. For just $99, you can get a $400 off coupon for the event. All of the details can be found at the link in my bio.